Dispatch here. You're officially on a new job. You'll be hauling moving containers, weighing in at about 4,000 pounds. Your starting point is in Modesto, and you're heading to Stockton for a delivery at Montcor. The planned distance for this job is 57 miles. You've got a job income of $464 lined up. Do you copy?
Turn left. Turn right. Stay left, and then turn left. Turn left.
Breaker 19. This is Iron Horse rolling down I-40 near Amarillo. Got a heavy load of steel and looking for a running mate. Anyone out there?
Hey, Iron Horse. This is Phantom Flyer on I-40 about 30 miles east of you. I'm just cruising with a load of grains, but I can keep you company for a bit. You copy.
10-4, Phantom Flyer. It's always nice to have a friend on the road. How's the traffic looking on your end?
Turn on self-driving.
Self-driving mode is now activated. Enjoy the ride.
What's the latest news in the National Football League?
Just a moment. Here are some of the latest news highlights from the NFL.
Stay left.
Brenton Strange
turn
is
left.
stepping up as the Jaguars' T1, ready to prove his worth after being behind Evan Engram for 2 seasons. Deion Dawkins of the Bills sees the new Protector of the Year award for offensive linemen
Turn
as
left.
part of his legacy, advocating for more recognition for their contributions. The Saints QB competition is heating up, with Brandon Cooks commenting on the excitement surrounding the young quarterbacks as they vie for the starting position. For more details, check out the full articles on the NFL website.
Can you play the next radio station, please?
Their website says they're a trucking company.
Radio station
crafted from the
changed.
finest Irish banter. And they've UK lads who are into the crack as well. Where can I find them? Their website is transitxvtc.com. You can apply to be a driver or have the crack on their Discord server. Transit
Stay
X.
right.
Let the crack begin.
Whoa, look at those gold and white trucks passing us. Who are they? It's Golden Phoenix Express VTC.
Hey, how are all my fluid temps looking?
Here at GP, we take pride in specially organising our own professional weekly public convoys with active, energetic and experienced staff team. What's more, our drivers get access
Here are
to
your
a whole
fluid
host of
temperatures.
facilities, features
Oil
and
temperature,
bonuses. From our
186
drivers with a
degrees
job tracking
Fahrenheit.
system that provides
Water
a variety of
temperature,
statistics,
139
customer
degrees
skills,
Fahrenheit.
and more.
Air
Are you
pressure,
tempted at what we have to offer?
113.75 psi. Everything looks good.
GP is the way to be.
That's what I was going to say. I don't know anything about trucks. Are those good temperatures?
Creeper. No, you're not playing that.
Breaker 19. This is Lumberby cruising north on I-75, just passing through the swing area.
server. A survival
Pass the
multi-fan
road
adventure
through
where you
the
can
route.
explore, claim land, and build to your heart's content. Tour TFM towers, explore the studios, or even meet the team behind your favorite
Copy
radio
that,
station.
Lumberby.
Make
This
your
is
space
Cloud Chaser
uniquely
down in
yours
Toledo.
with a custom map
Just hit a little patch of rain,
and
but not too bad.
Join us
See
on
any delays up ahead?
mc.trackers.fm. That's mc.trackers.fm.
Negative on that. Cloud Chaser. Roads clear so far. Just ensure traffic.
Then turn left.
Keep that rubber side down. Watch for any four-wheelers cutting y'all.
Turn left.
Hey, where are we right now?
Right now, we're in Merced County, California. Let me know if you need anything else.
Where are we going again, and what are we hauling?
We're heading to Stockton, and we're hauling moving containers. Safe travels.
Go straight. Stay right, and then turn right. Turn right.
How heavy is our load today?
Your load today weighs 4,000 pounds.
Turn on automatic speed control, please.
Stay right, then exit right.
Running the command.
Exit right.
Automatic speed control is now activated. Drive safe.
Stay left, and then turn left. Turn left. Stay left.
Is there anything you'd recommend we do while I'm in Stockton?
Turn left.
While you're in Stockton, consider visiting the Hagen Museum for art and history, or take a stroll along the Stockton waterfront for some scenic views. You might also enjoy checking out the local dining scene for some great food options.
All right, turn off the self-driving mode and turn off automatic speed mode, please.
Processing request. Self-driving mode and automatic speed control are both now turned off.
Thanks, you've been a great help.
You're welcome. I'm glad to help. Drive safely.
was a nice run.
Press enter, please.
Done.
Dispatch here. You finished your job. You delivered the cargo, which was about 4,000 pounds, after a total route distance of 57 miles. The delivery was made using AutoPark and AutoLoad. You earned a nice revenue of $464 and gained a total of 119 experience points. The job took you about 1 hour and 51 minutes to complete. Good work out there. 10